This is how to get into Bird of Paradise. Start from Warrior 2. Make your way to Bound Side Angle by placing one arm behind you and reaching your other arm under your left leg for a bind. Step your other foot in and balance your weight on that foot. Slowly start to lift your bound leg up from the ground. When you feel balanced, you can start to strengthen your bound leg. Repeat this for the other leg. You can also take band for better support. Let's discuss the benefits of Bird of Paradise, which is known as Swarg Dvijasana. This strengthens the legs, improves balance, open your groin and hips region, stretches the shoulders, hips, hamstrings and back. So do practice this daily for better result. And don't forget to comment once you master this pose. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Bye. Take care.